Roemer Insurance is committed to the health insurance industry and to continuing to serve the consumers with all of their health insurance needs, whether they are individuals or businesses. And what we have found is that there are many smaller insurance agents who have some difficulty in answering the questions posed to them by their clients, may not have the infrastructure or the resources to provide what their clients need. So we are aligning several other insurance agents with Roemer, and in this way we're able to afford them the ability to better serve their clients. The federal government has extended a special open enrollment period for individuals from March 15th to April 30th. This will allow people who failed to apply for health care on the exchanges, individuals who failed to apply for health care on the exchanges, will be able to apply up until between March 15th and April 30th. On March the 4th, the Affordable Care Act challenge was argued. This aspect has to do with whether or not the federal government had the power under the law to establish the exchanges in the many states. The law, language of the law says that the states would establish the exchanges. Many states, 37 states, elected not to do so, and so the federal government established exchanges. The essence of this challenge is whether or not that's constitutional and permissible under the law. The question is, what will happen if the Supreme Court finds that the challenge is well taken and that the governmental establishment, the federal governmental establishment of exchanges is improper? What happens then? The Affordable Care Act is resulting in a number of Americans having a portion or all of their tax refunds withheld by the IRS. There have been some miscalculations of the subsidies available under the Affordable Care Act. If an individual overstated the amount of subsidy that they were entitled to because they understated their income, and this could occur either inadvertently or with intent, but in any case, if your tax return income does not match the application for your health insurance on healthcare.gov, then the IRS has the power to withhold your tax returns. It would seem that some of the initial reactions to the Affordable Care Act might have been overreactions. There were those who thought that the small group health insurance segment would be pretty much eliminated by the Affordable Care Act, where employers would drop their health insurance altogether and throw their employees onto the exchanges to provide for their own health insurance needs. It seems clear to us now that employers have their employees' best interests at heart. Employers also compete with one another for labor, so they do know that they have to provide competitive employee benefits packages to their workers, or their workers may go elsewhere.